In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a 2D photo into a stunning 3D parallax effect using Canva. This process is not only fun, but also remarkably easy, and within just 5 minutes, you can create engaging visuals that stand out on any platform. To start, you're going to need to open Canva. If you haven't done so already, simply go to their website or open the Canva app on your device. Once you're in, the next step is to create a design. You can choose any design size that fits your needs, whether it's a social media post, a web page header, or simply a custom dimension you have in mind. Canva offers a plethora of sizes, but if you need something specific, don't hesitate to set your custom dimensions. Once your digital workspace is ready, you'll want to upload the image you want to transform into a 3D parallax. You can easily upload your own by clicking on the Uploads tab, or choose an intriguing image from Canva's extensive library if you don't have one at hand. With millions of images to choose from, you're bound to find something that suits your theme or mood. Now that your image is in place, click the image to select it, and then navigate to the Edit option. This is where the magic begins. By selecting the Magic Grab feature, Canva works its wonders to separate the foreground and background of your image. This clever tool allows you to isolate the main subject from its background with just a few clicks, setting the stage for the 3D effect. With the image divided, it's time to get creative with text. Click on Text in the toolbar and start typing out your message. Whether it's a quote, a title, or just a simple note, your text will play an essential role in adding depth. Position this text behind the separated foreground image. This step is crucial for achieving that 3D parallax feel, as it layers the text in a way that gives it depth, making it appear as though it's set behind the foreground. The layer effect is further enhanced by using animations. Head over to the Animations tab and select movements that best fit your vision. You can animate the text, the foreground image, and even other elements to create a lively and dynamic scene. Take your time to experiment with various animation styles until you achieve a look that satisfies your creative intuition. Once you're happy with your parallax creation, the final step is to share your artwork. Click on Share and then choose the Download option. Here, you'll have the chance to save your masterpiece as an MP4 video or a PNG image, depending on your needs. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create breathtaking 3D parallax images in Canva, bringing your static images to life with beautiful depth and motion. Enjoy sharing your newfound skill with the world.